Now let's go to number 19. Find products that were purchased by customers from at least 3 different cities. So let's go to the SQL. We have to select the product name and then we have to count the distance from city plus the city count from the product. Then inner join the product details PD on P dot product ID equals PD dot product ID. Inner join purchases PD on PD dot product details ID equals PU dot product details ID. And then inner join the customers on PU dot customer ID equals C dot customer ID. Then loop by P dot product ID. And then we have to use having city count is greater or equal to 3. Let's try. Okay, so the product name is paracetamol and it has a city count of